Fix something went wrong error on Twitter. Hey guys, this is Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. If you are facing this error on Twitter, first and foremost you have to check for your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection. If your Wi-Fi is slowed or unstable, then you might face this error. If not, what you have to do next is you have to open your Play Store or an App Store and check for an update. Here for an example I am doing right now. Search for Twitter in the search bar and then tap on the search icon. And yeah, as you can see, I don't have any update, but if you have it, just leave it for an update and it might fix the bug as well. If not, you can try Twitter web. You just have to open your browser or a Google and then go ahead and tap on Twitter web and just tap on to sign in. However, sometimes it will take you to the application itself. In that case, you can just use your PC or laptop and the issue might be gone after a while because it might be of the maintenance bug. And this is a wrap for Fix Oops Something Went Wrong on Twitter. Make sure to give it a like and thank you so much for watching.